Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, well, welcome. My name is Donna, and on this channel we do discuss a lot about handbags. It's a luxury channel where we discuss a whole bunch of different luxury products or items, but mostly handbags. So if handbags are your cup of tea, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It will help it grow. And well, today's topic will come as no surprise to anyone. We will be reviewing a Saint Laurent handbag. So without further ado, let's get started. So before I show you guys the handbag we will be reviewing, I just wanted to take a moment to talk about a website I discovered. It's called GoCashBack.com. I will leave their link and information in the description box below, so check it out. And it's basically a platform where a whole bunch of different websites are subscribed to, I guess you can say. You have Saint Laurent, cosmetics, Sephora, Louis Sevilla Roma is on there, and a whole bunch of other different luxury boutiques or brands. So basically, when you shop at these different websites through GoCashBack.com, as the name suggests, well, you do get a percentage of cash back. So you do get to save money at the same time as shopping, which makes you feel a little bit less guilty when shopping. And also, if you do sign up on their website through my link in the description box, you do get an $8 basically cash back just for signing up. So it's worth it. Take a look, especially if you're like me and you do a lot of online shopping. It will help you save some money. So now let's get back to the handbag talk. And so we're going to be reviewing this YSL pouch. I don't really think it has a name. I believe it's just YSL pouch, but you'll see why by the end of this video. So I've had this bag for about, I would say, 5 years now. It's been in my collection for quite some time. I purchased it around 2016 or 17. And when I did buy it, I did buy it for $475 if I'm not mistaken. So it's a pretty affordable bag, and it does fit quite a bit. I mean, as you can see, it's kind of small and compact, so you won't be able to fit your whole life in it, let's be honest, but it does fit quite a decent amount. I mean, it's perfect for just running errands. If it's that type of errand where you just want to carry a wallet but want to be hands-free at the same time, this is the perfect bag for that. As well, it's great for nights out, either with the girls or with that SO. So where you're not really carrying all that much. It's basically a lip gloss and some cash or cards and you're good to go. So let's take a closer look at this bag. So when I bought this bag, it came in a box like this. As you can see, it says Saint Laurent Paris. In a little pouch as well. Let me just show you. So as you can see, we have the style name of the pouch. Well, it's YSL pouch, as you can see. So it comes in a little dust bag like this. This is just the authenticity card. And here it is. So as you can see, it's pretty compact in size. And it's full leather. It isn't the smooth leather. It is also a little bit grained, as you can see. And it's just a soft, gushy leather. We have the YSL logo and the little envelope flap as well. If we open this flap, as you can see, it's just closed. It's a snap closure, basically, is what I'm trying to say. And we have a pocket. Inside the pocket, we have 4 card slots. As you can see, it says made in Italy. The inside is I'm not sure if it's leather, but it's not material. Oh yes, this is leather, definitely. And at the top, we have Saint Laurent Paris, hot stamped in silver. As you can see, there are like 3 pouches to this. So we have the flap pouch, the 4 actually, the zipper pouch as well. If I open that, the zipper, I will admit, is a little hard to open. It's a little rough. And as you can see, it's just a black hole. There's no pockets nor anything. The inside is leather. We have this pouch here between the zipper pouch and the flap pouch. You can also fit papers and documents and cards. And we have a snap closure at the back of the bag like this. As well, it's a hole. There's no pockets nor anything else. It is leather inside. And there is a pouch between the zipper and the snap pouch. As you can see, I can fit my hands in. So in all, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pouches, if you want to get technical. Here's the side of the bag, as you can see. So as you can see, it is all closed. So in between, they are real pouches in between the individually, the ones that close. Like that. Let me just close this to make it easier to talk to you guys. There is also an adjustable strap. The strap is kind of thin, but because the bag is so light, it really is a comfortable strap. It's not that heavy, it's easy to wear. And like I mentioned, the strap is adjustable, so it's adjustable on both sides. There are 3 holes on each side you can choose from. I kind of have it placed on the smallest possible length. And there you have it. The back of the bag is pretty simple, it's just black. No engraving, no logo, nor anything else. And here is the YSL pouch bag. So as you can see, the bag is pretty compact, but you do have many compartments. So if I were to talk about pros and cons, which I will be, by the way, the pros are that it's black and kind of classic. I mean, I've had this for 5, 6 years now and you can't really tell. It's durable, although the leather is a softer kind of gushy leather. It's very durable. I mean, there are no signs of wear and tear. The corners are perfect. There are no scratches, which is kind of the case with Saint Laurent bags in general. I know I've said this before in my videos, but it's actually true. Their leather is very durable, even though it's not caviar or heavily grained. And this bag is no exception. It does carry a lot. I mean, it is a small size, but there are many compartments, so you do fit a lot. It has a built-in card holder, which I love, which means I don't have to carry a wallet. And it just, for daily purposes, running errands wise, it fits a ton. For the cons, I mean, there are a couple. It is small, so I mean, it's not the type of bag you can carry all your makeup in, your umbrella, your hairbrush, God knows what else, your phone charger. I don't know what people carry in their bags nowadays, but it doesn't fit all that. It's really your strict minimum. So if you're the type who likes to carry their whole life in their bag, well, this bag isn't for you. I'm gonna be honest here. But honestly, other than that, the only other con I would say, not for me personally, because I do like where it hits on my body, but for some, yes, it is an adjustable strap, but there are only 3 holes and the length I have it at is kind of the shortest length possible, and it's still pretty long in my opinion. So if you're someone who likes shorter kind of crossbodies or is just kind of shorter in height, there's not much leeway with this strap, to be very honest with you. But all in all, I am very happy with my purchase. I'm not planning on getting rid of this anytime soon. I think it's pretty permanent in my collection. I mean, how can you go wrong? It's a black classic YSL pouch. It's not outdated. It can't be outdated with the colors. So it is, I'm very happy with my purchase. And yeah, it's just gonna stay in my collection for a very long time to come. So that's my video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Check out GoCashBack.com. You will not regret it. And if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.